Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use an e-file properly. Full guide. Begin by selecting your filing status and entering personal details exactly as on official records. Attach required schedules and supporting documents when prompted by the e-file platform. Use the built-in calculators for credits and deductions to ensure accuracy and avoid rejections. When the system shows errors, fix them immediately and revalidate. Confirm refund or direct deposit details before final submission, and save the final confirmation number for tracking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so try darn tough for reliable cushioning and a lifetime warranty that just makes sense while you file. I link the product and any deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you encounter a rejection, focus on the rejection code and the exact field it references to fix it quickly. If confirmations do not arrive after valid submission attempts, reach out to e-file support or your tax software provider. Always use updated security software and avoid public Wi-Fi while transmitting returns. Save each version of your return so you can compare changes and explain corrections if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.